today we're at the airport because we are gonna pick up Ate Belle. So we're gonna pick up Daddy.
Aiden, are you excited? How about Ate? Excited for to go back to school? Anong lunch gusto mo na? Tinola? Ate?
Please, the column is growing.
Okay, idea mo the kids. Nagiging masaya sila. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday and medyo mahaba lang yung pila dito sa drop-off ng kids. We usually get here a lot earlier than this. But this time, medyo tinamat ako bumangon. Parang since first day ulit ng klase. Nag-ising ako ng alas 5 sa alarm. Tulog ako ulit. Tapos after half an hour, minove ko, change ko yung alarm ko na 5:30. Tulog ako ulit. Tapos pagkagising, nag-alarm ulit. Discuss ko pa siya twice. So mga 6 o'clock na ako kumain. Buti na lang, nag-prepare ng kanilang mga baon sa school. Hindi ko nga nalagyan ng si ate ng sa buo ko ng bow. Hair clip sa buo. Hindi ko na siya nalagyan. Kasi nga naman ako mga mali. Parang wala drop off ko sila within 3 minutes. So, meron na lang sila 15 minutes bago start ng class. Makahatid po ni ate si Aiden. Kasi first floor lang naman si Aiden. Tapos si ate second floor. Pero kahit hindi naman kasi hatid, kahit hindi hatid ni ate, kasi may ate Lily, kasi mga ate sila dyan na mag-walk with the little ones. Pero sa ate, gusto daw niya na hatid ko kami. Okay, remove your seatbelt na, we're here now.
Yes, I'm here first.
Do well in your robotics. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. 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 Say hi to heaven for mama. Dumi na agad ng damit mo.
I'm not shouting at Kuya.
Okay. What do you say to Kuya? Good job! Just picked up Aiden from therapy and now punta na kami ng school to pick up ate naman from school. So today darating yung daddy nila, arrival ng daddy nila today. Hindi ko alam kung magsusundo ba kami or hindi kasi nung umpisa sabi ko hindi makasundo dahil yung oras dapat ng sundo for Lily alanganin kasi yung sundo ni Lily sa school is 2:50. So sabi mo masusundo mo si Lily ng mga 3:30. Tapos ang arrival dapat ni Phil is alas 4. Hanggang super duper alanganin. Tapos pabiyahe kami pa Manila. Pagdating doon, pick up lang sa nila. Tapos biyahe ulit pabalik. So sabi ko baka mahilo-hilo lang yung mga bata. Pag-usapan naman is lalapigin ko yung tita nila na sa tita Sasin nila na siya muna magsundo kay Lily sana sa school. Ako yung magsusundo para masundo ko yung daddy nila. Ang uwi naman Aiden maaga, pero yun nga, meron kasi siyang therapy ngayon din. Kaya parang 2 o'clock yung uwi niya. So kaya ko naman siyang ihatid sana sa bahay. Gusto nga niya na i-surprise yung mga bata din. So ang napag-usapan, si Aiden at saka si Aiden kasama ng auntie niya, si Lily kasama ng grandma nila. Tapos, surprise si Lily ng daddy niya pag uwi. Mag-doorbell daw siya. Tapos, si Aiden naman, pupuntahan namin sa kids club. So, yun na yung naplano na sana. Pero, ayun, yung planong pa rin na yun, canceled kasi yung flight nila delayed. So, dapat 4 yung dating, naging 6. 6 yung estimated arrival nila. 6 o'clock. May sa akin, sige, okay na. Huwag na ako sunduin, sabi niya. Kasi, maalanganing oras pa. Baka mag-pick up pa sa kanya yung mga bata. Bukuyat ay may klase yung mga kids tomorrow. So, ayoko naman pa-absent yung mga bata. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung school ni Lily, mag-absent ka lang ng isang araw. Ang haba ng hahabulin mo. So, sabi ko, hindi talaga po pwede na mag-absent si ate. Hindi talaga maaari. So, ayun. Sabi naman ng kanilang ama, wala problema. Sabi niya, huwag ko na daw siya sunduin. Huwag ko na daw siya ipag-drive. Mag-book na lang daw siya na sasakyan. So, naawa naman din ako sa kanya. Katagal na naman kasi siya nawala. Tapos, yung pag-alis niya is ginawa niya naman yun para sa family niya, di ba? Tapos, naisip ko yung mga kababayan niya ating OFW talagang, alam mo yun, yung pag-uwi mo, doon ka masaya eh. Sinasalubong ka ng pamilya mo. Ganyan. So, parang nagigets ko rin naman siya.
Like we said, God, class is suspended.
I need your help making a decision. So, I told you, right? I want to go to ATC. But also, I'm hungry. But also, got a message this morning by Ate Belle and Kuya Gara. They're coming back here in the Philippines today. So they messaged me if we can pick them up at the airport. But I don't know if we should.
I can do one in the car as long as they know what numbers.
Mhm.
Yeah, you said it's not.
Well, they're landing in the airport at 6. So maybe we can even go to ATC, get some, I don't know, I need some eyebrow pencil and concealer
What is a concealer?
to conceal blemishes, redness, under eye. So what do you think we should do? Stay home, watch TV, or pick them up? Pick them up.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the
Dito na kami
nights.
guys sa airport. Mag-ayos tayo ng konti. Wala
What
pang
about the
update.
umbrella?
Wala pa akong update kung andyan na ba or what.
Stay where it is.
We'll bring umbrella because maybe it might rain, no? Hindi ako makadrive pa ganun. Kasi ikot-ikot ka lang talaga, B. Pwede kang magsasakyan kung andyan na yung susunduin mo. Pero kung hindi, talagang ikot-ikot ka talaga, B. Ikot-ikot lang, ganyan. Dumaan kami kanina ng ATC to get some stuff. Ang bibiling ko lang sana, concealer, tapos eyebrow pencil. Kahit naman sa drugstore lang yun. Ang bibiling ko lang sana is yung concealer. Because this is my go-to concealer talaga. Hindi ako ma-foundation sa face. Pero concealer, as long as may concealer, ganyan. Di! Medyo dumidilim na. So, concealer tayo. Kamay-kamay tuloy tayo ngayon. So, di naman nakakasal. Dami ko pa naman binili sa kanya. Bumili ako ng Soft Matte Advanced Perfecting Powder. Ano to siya? Wala tong kasamang cushion. Ay, ano yung mismo, ano niya ba? Wala siyang kasamang sponge. Kaya nga nanghingi ako sa kanya. Kasi hindi niya sinama yung sponge na kunwari binalot niya pa. Dala ko naman yung ating makeup bag. Kaya lang yung makeup bag ko naman. Ano lang yung laman nito. Maglagay tayo ng konting bronzer. Bronzer. Pag bumibili ako guys ng makeup na pang face, bumibili ako guys ng makeup hanggat maaari. Yung hindi powder. Cream, ganyan. Kasi dry yung skin ko. Anyway, itong ating concealer, sa Dubai ko to siya nabili.
Mommy!
Hmm.
What are you doing?
So the airport.
I want to go to the airport.
What are we gonna do in the airport?
Pick up Daddy.
You wanna pick up daddy na?
Yes.
Why? Oh, Dels. What are we gonna say, Dels? And then, ito yung blush. Bumili na akong blush. Kasi yung blush ko, in-arbor na ni Tita Sassy nila. Paborito niya to. Orgasa. Tignan natin kung magagamit natin itong... Ito yung powder. Ang nipis lang niya, oh.
Hi.
Ang ganda niya sa sponge. Kaya lang hindi nga tayo binigyan ni ate ng sponge. Nakakalungkot naman talaga ate naman. Why would you do this to me ate? Ang ganda pa naman niya.
You must not have a mom.
Hey, what are you doing?
Ayan.
Don't have a
And then, for eyeshadow, ito na lang yung try natin. Kailangan ko talaga brushes. Sa totoong buhay lang. Brushes. Ayan. And then, eyeliner natin. Hindi ako bumili kasi meron pa ako. Tingnan niyo naman. Ang tsaka na niya. Naubos na yung paint niya sa labas. Yung laman sa loob meron pa. So, ginagamit ko pa rin siya. Naloka ako. Si AA parang may nakakaramdam na susundin niya yung daddy niya. Nakakaloka tong batang to. Ito yung eyeliner ng NARS. Brow Perfector. Ayan. On the shade Como. So, first time kong gagamit ng eyebrow pencil ng NARS. The rest I've tried, pero yung kanilang eyebrow pencil hindi pa. Pwede daw itong gamitin na parang pang stroke. Ah, ganda.
Ooh, I like it.
Did you tell Aiden who we're going to pick up those?
No. Should I tell him?
Yeah, go on.
Eden, today we're at the airport because we are gonna pick up Ate Belle. No, we're gonna pick up Daddy.
He wants to pick up Dad.
Aiden, we're gonna pick up Daddy in 4 days. Yes. But Ate Belle and Kuya Gareth is today.
You're gonna see your daddy soon. Right, ate?
Yes.
Should Aiden be sad, ate?
No. Daddy is coming home in 4 days.
What are you gonna do with daddy? Why are you excited to see him?
Because Aiden needs to pick up Daddy.
You do? Who are you gonna pick up?
Daddy.
Oh! Who are you gonna pick up?
In the airport.
Yeah.
Ate Belle and Kuya Gareth.
Okay. 1 hour later, wala pa rin siya. We cross yet? Look, who's that? Who's that?
Daddy!
Hi. Come here. Who's that? Stinky now. It's a long time. Surprise! Who's that? Who's that? He's smiling. He's smiling. Why? She does not know.
You know.
I said we're picking up Belle and Gareth, and then I said
Turns out it's me.
What?
I said we're picking up Ate Belle and Gareth, but the truth is we're picking up your daddy because he can't wait until
I
Friday.
cannot make the sign.
It's okay. We'll make the sign in the morning. I'm happy you're home. Oh, she's crying.
Don't
She wanted
cry.
to make a sign for you. She didn't have time to make a sign.
You're looking at Specky.
Oh my gosh.
How are we getting out of here?
She's crying. My throat hurts. You need to stop.
Where's the car?
There. You got books with from Daddy? He knows.
Oh, yeah,
I
the
keep
books in
saying
this
no.
one.
I keep saying we're gonna pick up Ate Belle and Gareth. He said no. We're picking up Daddy.
Look at your face.
She's
Come on.
smart. She's big now, is she?
Oh, big. Hello.
Sabi niya, Daddy, are you ready to get your nails done daw? Cute! Who's that? Who's this? Your daddy? Really? Is that your daddy? Look at him! Look at him! Why are you there?
I just forgot about my pink iPad.
You have your iPod, yeah.
Hooray!
I'm not used to touch this in the morning. Please keep your hands to yourself. He's covering his eyes. Oh, Daddy. It's my pasalubong. Thank you. Wow!
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.